Fidgett here.
Don't be dumb no more, Wiki. Mr. Fidgett.
Today I'm here to talk about Roundup.
Yeah!
Not that kind of Roundup. Roundup. It's a weed killer. Roundup was invented by Monsanto, and Monsanto was purchased by Bayer. And of course, Bayer invented aspirin as well as bombs and the gas that was used at the concentration camps in Germany. I mean, check out glyphosate. It's been used since 1974, but there has been links to cancer, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, because of glyphosate, which is the active ingredient in Roundup. Some people think that it has a lot to do with why the bees are disappearing. Of course, Bayer would say, oh no, it's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it, right? We love you. We have your best interest in heart. There's an alternative to Roundup, and it's simple. You can make it at home. You need a gallon of vinegar. It's like $3. Now, vinegar is a miracle worker. You can do everything with vinegar. Check it out.
Check it out!
Use a cup of salt and some dishwashing liquid. I like Dawn because they clean ducks with it. It said a tablespoon, but you can just kind of squirt it in there. Now, I bought one of these. It's a 2-gallon sprayer. Ooh. At Ace, because you know Ace is the place. Put your salt in first. I put in the vinegar. Now, I do a lot of cleaning with vinegar these days, and it's great. Because I live in Florida, and if you like bugs, this is where you should be. Because there are bugs outside, there are bugs inside, there are bugs everywhere. But they don't like vinegar. So I use it to clean less, and it chases the bugs away. Take one out. Vinegar. I'll feed it. I'll keep it outside here. A tablespoon. That's it. We're done. Pull this up. Push it down, up and 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 down. Up and down, 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 up and down. Twist it. Creates pressure in here. And then you squirt the plants with the solution, and it gets rid of it. There's nothing toxic in it. This is a lot. This will last like all summer. So, I recommend this. It's better for the environment. It's cheaper. The big investment is to get one of these, but I mean, you really want one, don't you? Look how cool it is. It's like being a fireman or something. So yeah, that's the alternative to Roundup. Do it for the environment. Kids dig it. They like to play with it. So, figure it out. Bye.